Well, good morning, YouTube. As you can see, smiling face in a different place today. Clear skies. This is a PSA announcement. Do not drive on flooded roads. It's very dangerous. The water can pick you and this 80,000 pounds of truck and float your butt right off the road somewhere. Do not do it. So since we got that out of the way, this is some video yesterday of me making it through this tropical storm, and it was not fun. So sit back, take a few minutes, drink you a little coffee, and enjoy. And thanks for like, sharing, and subscribing too. Well, good morning from New Jersey, should I say, this morning. We had parked here at the receiver overnight. Not that big of a parking lot, but got to go do my daily thing, throw the trash away. Had to make sure I put it in the right receptacle up here. But we're on a hurricane warning, and it's about 80 degrees up here in New Jersey this morning. And this guy here, security, so didn't really have to worry about a whole lot of things going on. But make sure when you park at places like this, you have some good security or something. That way you can rest easy and stuff. But that's going to be a doozy to get out of. Right there. Let's see the weather. It rained and thundered last night. Probably, I don't know, a long time, and this storm blowed over. But there's supposed to be that more coming in. Look at here. Trucks come through there. Trim the bushes. Hey, it's tied up here backing in. Had to back in beside this trailer here. Well, only thing I can say is I think I got bamboozled by dispatch. That's all I need to say. But stick around and see what happens next. Later. I think this is the top of that storm. Getting ready to blow through. Just started raining. Gusts of wind blowing through. It's died down now. Well, I'm trying to back in, look. Pouring rain in. This is my second shirt. This was my spare. And I'm wet. I'm all the way down. Up here. In this tropical storm. I mean, it's gray. You can't really tell how wet it is. It's a nightmare. That's all I can say. It's a nightmare. said before on the beginning of this video, please don't drive on flooded roads because it is extremely dangerous. And I hope everybody made it out of this tropical storm. Pretty rough. A lot of things I didn't film. It's just, I mean, like trees and stuff on the road. It was pretty bad. But we're here, made it through it. So y'all enjoy. If you have any comments, leave them down below. We'll talk to y'all later. Everybody be safe.